Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about types of chart. There are different types of chart called as line chart, candlestick, Heikin-Ashi and halo candles. In this video we are going to discuss about the importance of each and every chart and why we are not using some of those chart and why we are preferring the candlestick and Heikin-Ashi chart more. So let's see from the line chart itself. Let's take an example here. This is the TradingView platform which you already know. Now you just need to click on this section like candlestick icon, right, which I am marking. In this section we will get to know about different types of chart. Now let's select the line chart itself. If you check the line chart and I am selecting 1 minute as a time frame, that means data will load as per minutes. So in this, if you see this line chart, you will not easily able to get within that minute how much buying pressure or how much selling pressure in the market. It's just a directional view, but it's not a clear view, or by seeing the line chart we are not able to get the sentiments of the market. That's an issue with the line chart. That's why most of the trader, almost more than 95% or let's say 90% people are not referring the line chart to use. Okay, so hope you got my point. Now next chart is candlestick. Now what is meant by candlestick, what it means by red, what is meant by green, that's all details we are going to discuss in the next videos. That in the next videos you will go easily able to grab the concept of the candlestick and how to analyze the market sentiment using the candlestick. Now next one is halo candle. Halo candle is nothing but the same as a candlestick, but a colored, little bit of color difference, nothing more than that. Okay, now next candle is next type is Heikin-Ashi candlestick. If you see the Heikin-Ashi is also look like a regular candlestick only. There is a one smaller difference, or let's say minor difference in the candlestick and Heikin-Ashi candlestick. That the difference between candlestick and Heikin-Ashi candlestick we are covering in the next video. But for now you can consider that we are only focusing on throughout the course candlestick only. We are preferably using the candlestick because it's easier for us to understand the market sentiment better in the candlestick. If you want, you can also use Heikin-Ashi candlestick, Heikin-Ashi as well. Both are good only, but mastering in the both at the same time, it will be confusing and it will be complicated process as well. So prefer your candlestick by yourself only by observing the market. I personally following the candlestick. Some of the user are following the Heikin-Ashi. Both are fine, no need to worry, because both are representing how much buying, how much selling, actually how much trading happening within that time frame. So it's easier to analyze the market sentiment using both the candlestick. Okay, hope you can enjoy all the videos of the candlestick, and see you in the next video with difference between candlestick as well as candlestick and Heikin-Ashi, as well as a little bit more discussion on the candlestick. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.